Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze a stock that Jeff asked for, and it's PNC. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. They have a market cap of $61 billion, a stock price at 150.85, and they operate in the banks industry. During the last 10 years they have performed very equal to the S&P 500. That with a bit more volatility though compared to the S&P, but this is with dividends reinvested for both the S&P 500 and PNC. Let's check out some financial data. The sales growth the past 5 years has been 2.9%, that's an X. The earnings though has an annual increase of 11.6%. Very nice, that's a check mark. The analyst expects a bit weaker earnings ahead though, -4% actually. And the return on equity the last 5 years is an average of 10.91%. The threshold is 12% here, so that's also an X. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is 5.4 years, that's an X. Now some yielding data. A nice dividend yield at almost 4%. And last year they bought back 3% of their shares, so that's a nice combined yield of about 7% actually. The payout ratio is low at 37%, very good. And the dividend growth rate is 18%, so they are raising this dividend at a very rapid pace. And they have been growing it for 11 years now, probably since the financial crisis 2009. All in all, that makes up for a score at 6 out of 10, which is a bit mediocre, but let's check the valuation. Okay, so here in fast graphs we can see the orange line, which is the earnings. Of course it dropped down some during the financial crisis, but not tremendously. After that they have had fairly consistent earnings growth, with a spike actually for 2020 and then a drop down 2021. The dividend also got cut during the last financial crisis, but after that they have been raising that dividend every year. Let's take a look at the normal PE, which is 12.68, and compare it to the current valuation. We can see that right now it's actually trading below the average PE. So if we project out to late 2024, we can expect an annual rate of return of over 22%. Please hit the like button and also watch my latest video where I reviewed a subscriber's portfolio. See you soon!